Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on the JSE. We'll guide you through the essential steps to begin your investment journey. First, we'll cover understanding the basics of the stock market. Then, we'll discuss how to choose the right broker, set up your account, and finally, place your very first trade. It's simpler than you might think, and we're here to help you navigate each stage with confidence. Choosing the right stockbroker is a crucial first step. You'll want to find a broker that is regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, ensuring your investments are protected. Compare their fee structures, looking for transparent pricing and competitive commissions, perhaps around 0.25% per trade. Also, consider the ease of use of their platform and the quality of their customer service. A good broker makes your investing experience much smoother. Once you've chosen your broker, the next step is to open and fund your account. This typically involves completing an online application form, providing personal details, and submitting FICA documents for verification, like your ID and proof of address. After your account is approved, you'll link your bank account. You can then fund your investment account, often through an electronic funds transfer, with a minimum deposit sometimes as low as 100 Rand. Now for the exciting part. Placing your first stock order. Log into your brokerage account and search for the JSE-listed company you're interested in, perhaps a well-known one like Naspers or Capitec. Decide how many shares you want to buy and choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a maximum price. Always double-check all the details before confirming your trade. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.